Hey loves, I'm back again with another easy hairstyle. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my hair. So I'm just spraying a mixture of water and leave-in treatment just to moisturize my hair and to make my work easier, because it will, soften the hair and also make it easier for, the gel to blend in. I'm using Sofnfree Gel together with Bamsi Wax. So normally, if you're not new here, you know that this is like my go-to combo whenever I want to slick down my hair. Okay, so right about now, I'm just combing my natural hair towards where I want our bun to be, or rather where I want our ponytail to be. And then after that, I'll go in with my Bamsi Wax again to just apply tone to the hair, because the consistency is thick as opposed to the Sofnfree Gel. So this will make your hair to stay flat, without having to have those flyaways and stuff like that. And that is what I'm doing right now. Okay, with my rattle comb, I'll just go ahead and smoothen in the gel into my natural hair, and then I'm going to use my hair tie and hold my hair into place. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jinatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So I'm a Kenyan hair content creator. I do create different super affordable hairstyles that you can just do at the comfort of your home. So be sure to stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. And just like I've mentioned before, please help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will appreciate it. Okay loves, so I'm going to let my hair sit for about 30 to 45 minutes as I do my makeup. And this is me some few minutes later, and this is how the hair is looking like. Everything is like a nice and laid down. Okay, so the extension that I'm using is called Cutest Girl. I used this on my previous video. I did a twist with it. I'm going to leave that video in the description box down below. So I didn't get to finish the whole back of it, so I was left with I think about 5 bundles of this hair, and that is what I'm using. So loves, I'm going to let this video play so that you all can see and understand exactly what I'm doing, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. And if you will, please let me know in the comment section down below. Okay love, so this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete.